In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Instagram theme to black. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the key here that unfortunately we can't change Instagram theme to dark, or we can switch Instagram to dark mode directly from the Instagram app. There is no such feature. However, we can turn on dark mode on our iPhone device from the settings. To do that, we need to go to settings, tap at display and brightness, and that's how we can easily change our iPhone's theme to dark. And also after that, if we go to Instagram, we can check that the theme has really been changed to black.